Now classification of choppers. So choppers based on the coordinate of operation of the first coordinate and second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate, and how they are classified. So in this I'll discuss the different types of coordinate of choppers, and in that first one is the class A chopper, and the second one is class B chopper, and another one is class C chopper, another one is class D chopper, and finally class E chopper. And the voltage commutator chopper and current commutator chopper also available, and another one is load commutator chopper, and finally application of choppers. So first one is type A chopper or first coordinate chopper. I will draw the diagram of first coordinate chopper so that you can understand easily. The step down chopper is also called as first coordinate chopper. So the similar diagram of first coordinate chopper. This is load, this is inductor, this is switch, this is supply, Vs, this is freewheeling diode. So when chopper is on, supply voltage is connected across the load. So this is when chopper, this is saw chopper. When chopper is on, this will be open circuited, voltage applied across the load. When chopper is off, output voltage is 0, which means if it is open condition, so there is no voltage across output is 0. The average values of output voltage and current always positive, which means, for example, if you take this one, this is Vout, this is I output, this is positive, and then this is positive in the Q1. So the operation of this first coordinate chopper will be in this area. So output voltage is always positive. Output voltage is always positive, and current direction is in this direction only, so that output current direction is positive, and voltage also positive. Both are positive. In the first coordinate chopper is also called as step down chopper. In that chopper, output voltage is positive and output current also positive, so that this will comes under the first coordinate of the chopper. And the class A chopper is I already told you, is also called step down chopper, in which power always from source to load, and it is used to control the speed of a DC motor. So look at this one now. By using this step down chopper, we can control the speed of DC motor. So which means, for example, DC motor is 200 volts, the capacity of the DC motor is 200 volts, but by giving the different, by reducing the voltage, by using the chopper, you can control the speed of DC motor. So speed is nothing but N is direct equals to V minus AV by RV. So nothing but voltage V is equal to EB plus IARA. So EV is nothing but 5ZN by 60 into V by. This is. So by reducing the voltage, we can control the speed of the DC motor. And the output current equation is obtained in the step down chopper. So that there is output current obtained in the continuous. So output current is equation is obtained in the step down chopper. So output equation of the voltage is nothing but V output is equal to alpha into Vs. Similarly, output current also. With RL load can be used to supply. Can be used to study the performance of the class A chopper. So the class A chopper performance can be studied with the RL load only. So this is all about the class A chopper. Class A chopper, which is also called major point, key points are in this class A chopper is class A chopper is a step down chopper, and class A chopper is operates in the first coordinates by with the RL load with the RL load. Let me see the diagram. So look at this one. This is the class A chopper. So this is a chopper switch, freewheeling diode, output voltage, and so this is the thyristor gate pulse. Thyristor gate pulse is given, and if thyristor is on, the thyristor is on. Continuous current flows will be like this. Continuous current flow will be like this, and inductor. This is a RL load. Already told you. This is RL load only. First coordinate Q1 will work. The chopper will work in the first coordinate. So inductor will charges its energy in the exponential manner until the chopper is on position. If you forcibly, if you switch off the source Vs, this is supply voltage. If the chopper is on, the current will be circulate in this direction, and freewheeling diode will be open circuited. And while current is flowing in this direction, inductor is placed in series with the load. Nothing but this is RL load. So inductor charges energy in the exponential manner. It will store energy. If the switch is chopper switch is open, and the inductor will releases through the freewheeling diode in this direction. So even though the chopper is off condition, the current will be entering in this direction only, so that but the inductor releases energy in this slowly, and again after reaching this point, again chopper will be turned on, and inductor again stores energy. Nothing but current is positive here, and the voltage, if you close the switch, positive voltage, nothing but this is positive and negative, appear across the load like this, positive and negative. Voltage also positive, so that both are positive. Both are positive, nothing but first coordinate. In the first coordinate positive, here also positive. So step down chopper, in this way it act as a first coordinate, in the first coordinate with RL load. And if you take a class B chopper, so this is the class B chopper. This is the class B chopper. So this is the connection of circuit diagram of the class A chopper, class B chopper. So in this class B chopper, look at this one. This is the RLE load. So this is possible only with RLE load. E is nothing but back EMF, so that is called a DC motor. Simply this is DC motor. DC motor is having the back EMF is more than the supply voltage. If the switch is, look at this one, here off position is nothing but chopper is off position, off. On position is nothing but chopper is on. During the off condition, if it is open circuited, nothing but chopper is off position, then what will happen? the in the back EMF, that is this is due to the external battery. Due to the external battery, inductor will be charges, and that will be uh, diode will be forward biased, and the supply is back to the supply. Nothing but the energy will be transferred back to the supply voltage. Nothing but current. Look at this one. This is source. This is source, nothing but this is the one direction, but due to the external voltage, the inductor is charging and it will delivering the energy back to the supply. Nothing but current is reversed. Output current is negative. Output current is negative, nothing but opposite direction to the previous direction. So that current is negative. But if you if the thyristor is closed, what will happen? Thyristor is on, then the energy which is stored in the inductor will be releases in this direction. So after back EMF is reduced to low voltage, the energy shown in inductor will be discharges to the battery in this direction. Nothing but current also in the same direction, but applied voltage V is positive only. Applied voltage is positive, but current is negative. So that this is in second coordinate operation. So this is second coordinate operation. So uh, let us learn the key points from this one. So load contains DC source, E like a battery. When the chopper is on, E drives through the inductor and the resistor and opposite to the supply. Already told you, back to the supply. Energy is transferring from inductor to the supply. During the on time, during on period chopper, the inductor stores energy. During the turn on period, the inductor stores energy. When chopper is off position, diode conducts. When the chopper is off, diodes conduct. Apart from this, energy stored in inductor returns to the supply. When during the off position, so look at this one. Here during the off position, energy in inductor stores energy and it will discharges to the inductor. While off position, the supply will return to the supply. So this is class B chopper.